to another nothing. This is an update video on this thing here. Yeah, basically I've been trying to run a website, TripleCCreation.com, and until now I just simply don't have enough experience and know nothing about web design, so I gotta let that go for now. Yeah, I thought I'd bring my blog back. It will be a easier and quicker update platform for a lot of things. Of course, updates on my videos that I'll be posting here, and also my other things like my designs, photography, etc. Some of my thoughts, you know, just in general overall a platform to post information that not as convenient that I could on YouTube. So check it out, and hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. And there are other types of workarounds that you can use on some of the junks you have at home. I got this Bluetooth, right? And then it's got this plastic cover with, you know, it's for display for the Bluetooth. Now I'm turning this, and this is the stand for the speakers. I'm turning it into my cell phone's station. Yeah. Where I have the data cord go underneath, it'll come out right here, and my phone will go right on top. Let's see how that will turn out. So we got duct tapes, taping the underside of the thing. The back as well, we have another layer right on top, so this thing is sturdy, it's not going to come out. We have a little bit of anti-slip technology. What it is nothing more than really just another layers of duct tape underneath the duct tape, but it works well like that. Yeah, if I am to actually buy one of those stands, it will probably cost quite a bit of money, and I do it this way. It's cost free, and I got my Bluetooth. It's perfect. So here we go. Perfect. Very awesome. I had a data cord go right through. It's steady. It doesn't just fall off.